I think it's worthwhile taking a look at where we actually stand right now as a country. We've got 15.6 million unemployed people in this country. That's a huge number. To put that in perspective, it's greater than the population of 166 countries. It's a lot. And I guess the question is, so what? Why should we care? Why is it important to us? We feel it's important for this reason. That's our spend on social protection. The trend is heading upwards. That's not the scary bit. The scary bit is when you overlay this on our GDP. So if you overlay that figure onto our GDP over the next number of years, by 2023, we're destined to get to a social spend of about 27%. So 27% of what the entire country produces is going to be used for social protection. That's a lot. We're not economists, we don't forecast, but I asked them to work out what 150,000 happy families would add back to our GDP. And it ended up being a number of 19 billion, which is quite a big number. We feel that's worth fighting for. This is our initial start. From here, we're going to grow. I'd like to also challenge us to dream here. Can you imagine we were able to get down to 0% unemployment? So I was speaking to a Danish chap yesterday, and in Denmark, they're down at a 6% unemployment rate, which is great. Can you imagine we could get down to 0% unemployment? The additional revenue that would generate to South Africa would total 1.5 trillion rand. So to put that in perspective, the entire amount collected by SARS in 2016 was only 1 trillion rand. And if we could get everyone employed, we could get that up by another 1.5 trillion. So what could that buy? Well, they could buy private school education for every single child in this country, plus food for every single one of those children. And that would change our entire country permanently.